Hello students, welcome to Ant's classes. Let's do linear equations in one variable, exercise 14b, page number 176. Question 1, multiple choice type. Choose the correct answer from the options given. The sum of three consecutive even numbers is 90. Find the middle number. Now every word here is important. Here we are talking about sum. Sum means you have to add, and we are talking about three consecutive even numbers. Now what are consecutive numbers? Now if I write numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, these are all called consecutive numbers because they come one after the other. So what do we mean when we say consecutive even numbers? That means we pick only the even numbers 2, and the number that comes after 2 will be 4, and the number that comes after that will be 6. So those will be consecutive even numbers. So here we are told that when you take three consecutive even numbers and add them up, you will get 90. So once you get those three numbers, we have to pick out the number in the middle, and that is what we are asked to find out now. So let's begin working out. Since we don't know what these three consecutive even numbers are, we're going to say, let the three consecutive even numbers be x. The next one will be x plus 2. Why are we saying 2? Because we're talking about even numbers. If it is just any number, the next number will say x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. But since they are even numbers, we're saying x plus 2 because we have to skip a number in between. So the next will be x plus 4. So the three consecutive even numbers, let them be x, x plus 2, x plus 4 respectively. So this is the first number, this is the second number, and this is the third number. And here we are told that when you add up these three numbers, you get 90. So let's do that. That means if you take x, you add up the middle number, which is x plus 2, and then you take the third number, which is x plus 4. All this will give us 90. This is already there in the question, 90. So now let's simplify this. Let's open the brackets, x plus 2 plus x plus 4. This is equal to 90. Put all the x terms together. So here we have x plus x plus x. So that makes it 3x. So 3x plus, here we have 2 plus 4, that is 6. 3x plus 6 is equal to 90. So now we can find the value of only 3x first. So 3x will be equal to 90 minus 6. Because here it is plus 6. When it goes to the other side, it becomes minus 6. So here, let's write that. So now 3x is equal to 90 minus 6 is 84. Let's find the value of x. X is equal to 84 divided by 3. Because we are transposing this to the other side, it becomes division. Let's divide this. So here we can cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, here 24, 3 eights are 24. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 28. Now that we know the value of x, we can find the middle number. And what is the middle number? X plus 2. This is the middle number, x plus 2. So to find the middle number, what do? We say the middle number is x plus 2. So let's add it up. X plus 2, and x is equal to 28. 28 plus 2 is 30. So the middle number is 30. So this is our answer. Question 2. The length of a rectangle is 8 meters more than its breadth. We don't know what the breadth is, but the length is 8 meters more than that. If the perimeter of the rectangle is 40 meters, the length of the rectangle is, we need to find the length of the rectangle. So the breadth we don't know, but we know that the length is 8 meters more than the breadth. So let the breadth of the rectangle be x meters. So we're going to take the breadth to be x meters. Now the length is 8 more than this, means the length will be x plus 8, isn't it? This is the this is the breadth of the rectangle. Breadth plus 8 will give us the length of the rectangle. So this we have got. We've got the length, we've got the breadth. Now we've also been given the perimeter, and perimeter of the rectangle given to us is 40 meters. This is the perimeter. Now we can use the formula to find the perimeter of a rectangle. That will help us find the length and the breadth. So the perimeter, the formula is 2 into length plus breadth, and that is given to us as 40 meters. Now here we are going to substitute. So 2 into, what is the length? Length is x plus 8 meters. So let's write that. So this is x plus 8 meters, okay, plus the breadth, and that is x meters. So we're going to add this up, and all this should be equal to 40 meters. So let's open the brackets here. So 2 into, now here let's open this whole thing. So we have x plus 8 plus x meters. All this is equal to 40 meters. So now let's find 2 into, let's simplify what's inside. Inside we have x plus x, that makes it 2x. 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8. So 2 into 2x plus 8. This is what we have here. So here we're going to solve this equation because this is equal to 40 meters. So what we can do here is we are going to leave this as it is, and I'm going to transpose this to the other side. It's multiplication, so it becomes division. So here we only have 2x plus 8 left. This is equal to 40 divided by 2. We have transposed the 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 into 20. So here we have 2x plus 8 is equal to 20. So let's continue on the other side. So 2x plus 8 is equal to 20. That means 2x will be equal to 20 minus 8, because we have transposed this 8 plus 8 to the other side. It becomes minus 8. So 2x is equal to 20 minus 8 is 12. So x is equal to 12 divided by 2. 12 divided by 2, we can cancel again, 2 ones and 2 sixes. So x is equal to 6. Now here we have been asked to find the length of the rectangle, and the length of the rectangle here we have written as x plus 8. So length of the rectangle, let's write that. Length of the rectangle is equal to, let's write it here, x plus 8 meters. X plus 8 meters. And what is x? We found out x to be 6 plus 8 meters. 6 plus 8 is 14. So this is our answer. The length of the rectangle is 14 meters. This is our answer. And that is option C, 14 meters. Question 3. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If their difference is 18, what are the numbers? That's a question. So since we don't know the numbers, let's say, let the two numbers be, now since we have the ratio 5:3, we can take it as 5x and 3x. So let the two numbers be 5x and 3x. Then the difference between the numbers is also given to us, that is 18. That means if you subtract 5x minus 3x, you will get 18. So let's solve this now. 5x minus 3x is 2x. 2x is equal to 18. Therefore, x will be equal to 18 divided by 2. So here we can cancel. 2 9s are 18. So now we have x is equal to 9. So now that we know that x is equal to 9, we can find the two numbers, because here we say let the two numbers be 5x and 3x. So the first number, let's take the first number, 5x. If it is 5x, then this will be 5 into x, which is 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. Let's take the second number, 3x. 3x means this is 3x, which is equal to 3 into x, which is 3 into, and x we found out to be 9. 3 9s are 27. So we have our two numbers, one is 45 and the other is 27. So the numbers are 45 and 27. So that is option C, 45 and 27. Question 4. 3 more than twice a number is equal to 4 less than the number. So what is the number? So here we have to be very careful. There are many things. 3 more than twice a number is equal to 4 less than the number. So we have to go very carefully. Let's start by saying let the number. So let's first take this. Let the number be x. That means twice the number. So twice the number will be 2x, isn't it? If the number is x, twice the number will be 2x. Then 4 less than the number, 4 less than the number is x, 4 less than that means minus 4. Now let's read this whole thing. 3 more than twice the number is equal to, so we have an equation here, is equal to 4 less than the number. Let's write that down. 3 more than twice the number is equal to 4 less than the number. Now 3, so let's write 3, more means plus, twice the number. Twice the number is this number, 2x. So that is 2x is equal to 4 less than the number, that is this 4 less than the number, that is x minus 4. So x minus 4. Now let's bring all the x terms to one side. So here we have 2x. We'll bring the other x, so it becomes minus x. Minus x. And this side we have minus 4. We'll carry the 3 to the other side, which becomes minus 3. 2x minus x is x. Minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7. So we have found the value of x. That is, we have found the number. The number is x and that is minus 7. So let's write that. The number is minus 7. And that is option B, minus 7. So that is our answer. Question 5. The sum of two numbers is 70 and their difference is 16. What are the numbers? That's a question. That means when you add up any two numbers, it's going to be 70 and the difference is going to be 16. So difference means we need to have one larger number and one smaller number, isn't it? Now we don't know which is the smaller number and which is the larger number. So we're going to try out. So we're going to start by saying let the smaller number be x. Then what will the larger number be? Now suppose I have two numbers. Okay, so let's say dash plus dash and the sum is 70. Two numbers and the sum is 70. And I take the smaller number to be x. Okay, this we're just trying out to see whether we can get the smaller and the bigger number. So how do I find this? This I can find by saying this number will be equal to 70 minus x because I'm transposing this x to the other side. So that means the larger number, this is the bigger number, this is 70 minus x. So here we can write that. So 70 minus x is the larger number. Let's write it here, 70 minus x. Now what is given to us in the question? The sum of two numbers is given and the difference is also given as 16. So now we can substitute for one of these equations and try and find the value of x. Let's try with sum. Now if you are trying with sum of two numbers means what are the numbers? One number is the larger number is 70 minus x we said. Let's put that first. So that is 70 minus x plus the smaller number which is x and the sum is equal to 70. But here what do you see? 70 minus x plus x is equal to 70. So here x gets cancelled. So we can't find the value of x. So we cannot take this. We cannot take the sum of two numbers. Let's look at the difference of two numbers. So difference of two numbers is 16. That means let's take the larger number. When we subtract, we put the larger number first, isn't it? 70 minus x minus a smaller number, which is x, is equal to 16. Now let's simplify this and see. 70 minus x is equal to 16. So this is working out better, isn't it? Now 70 minus 2x is equal to 16. So now let's find the value of x here by saying minus 2x is equal to 16 minus 70. So minus 2x is equal to minus 54. So now we can find the value of x. First, let's cancel off the minus signs. Now let's find the value of x. X is equal to 54 by 2. And here we can cancel 2 ones are 2, 2 into 27. So we have found the value of x. X is equal to 27. Now we can find the larger number. So that means the smaller number is 27. So here the smaller number, we can write it here, is 27. And the larger number is 70 minus x. That means 70 minus 27. 70 minus 27 is 43. We have found both the numbers 27 and 43. So we can write down the numbers are 27 and 43. 27 and 43, and that is option A, 43 and 27. We are putting the larger number first, that is 43, and the smaller number, that is 27. Question 2. 15 less than 4 times the number is 9. Find the number. So first thing, let's write, let the number be x. So we are talking about this part. Let the number that we don't know, let that number be x. That means 4 times the number. Here we were given 4 times the number will be 4 times x. 4 into x. And we're also told 15 less than this is 9. So that is 9. That means 15 less than the number. The number is less than 4 times the number, which is 4x. So that is 4x minus 15 is equal to 9. Now let's solve for x. So 4x is equal to 9 plus 15. So 4x is equal to 24. Now we can find the value of x. We can say x is equal to 24 by 4. So let's cancel 1 and 6. 4 6s are 24. So we have found the number, and the number is 6. So let's write that. The number is 6. Megha's age is increased by 3 times her age. The result is 60 years. We have to find her age. Okay, so let Megha's age be x years. 3 times her age. Now this is her age. 3 times her age will be 3x. 3x her years, isn't it? 3x years. Then here it says Megha's age, it's given the question, is increased by 3 times her age. Then the result is 60 years. That means when her age is increased by 3 times her age, she's going to become 60 years. So now we have to find her age. So let's work on this. Megha's age is how much? Megha's age is x. This is increased by, increased means we say plus 3 times her age. 3 times her age is 3x. So that is 3x, and that is equal to 60. Now we can solve for x, isn't it? So x plus 3x is 4x. 4x is equal to 60. Now we can find the value of x. X is equal to 60 divided by 4. We can cancel this. This is 1 and this is 15. So x is equal to 15. So that is Megha's age. She is 15 years. 15 years old. So let's write that here. Megha's age is 15 years. This is our final answer. Question 4, 28 is 12 less than 4 times the number. Find the number. So here, let the number we don't know, so let the number be x. Then what else is given to us? 4 times the number. 4 times the number will be 4 times x. The number is x, so 4 times x. Then here we are told 12 less than 4 times the number is 28. It's given to us in the question, so that is 28. So how do we write that? 12 less. Now here it says less than 4 times the number. So 4 times the number is 4x. 12 less than that means minus 12, and this is equal to 28. So now we can find the value of x. We can say 4x is equal to 28. That means the value of x, 28 plus 12. 28 plus 12 because we are transposing this minus 12 to the other side. So now we can say 4x is equal to 40. And now to find the value of x, x is equal to 40 divided by 4. Here we can cancel 4 ones and 4 tens. So we have found the value of x, x is equal to 10. So this is the answer, x is equal to 10, and that is the number. So the number is 10. So this is our final answer. Question 5. 5 less than 3 times the number is minus 20. Find the number. So here let the number be x. 3 times a number will be 3x. If the number is x, then 3 times that number will be 3x. And what is given to us? 5 less than 3 times a number is minus 20. This is given to us and we've written it here. So 5 less means it's subtraction, isn't it? So 3 times a number we have to write first, and then 5 less, because it's subtraction, we write it here. Minus 5, it's given to us as minus 20. Now we can find the value of 3x first. 3x is equal to minus 20, and we can transpose this minus 5 to the other side. It becomes plus 5. So that is equal to 3x is equal to minus 15. We can find the value of x. X is equal to minus 15 by 3. Now we can cancel this. 3 ones are 3 and 3 fives are 15. So x is equal to minus 5. So this is our answer. Question 6. 15 more than 3 times Neetu's age is the same as 4 times her age. How old is she? Okay, let's go slow so that you don't get confused. Let Neetu's age, so right at the beginning we don't know her age, so let her age be x. Then we are told 3 times her age. 3 times her age will be 3 times x, which is 3x. Then we are also told 4 times her age. We have 4 times her age here, so that will be 4 times x. So we have this Neetu's age, then we have 3 times her age, then we have 4 times her age. We have done this much. Now 15 more than 3 times Neetu's age. So 3 times her age is 3x. 15 more than that means 3x plus 15. So that is 3x plus 15. So we got all these here. Now what does this say? It says 15 more than 3 times Neetu's age is the same as 4 times her age. So we're going to get an equation here. So now let's get the equation, that is 15 more than 3 times Neetu's age is the same as 4 times her age. Same means equal to, we can get an equation. So 15 more than 3 times Neetu's age is this, 3x plus 15. 3x plus 15, and same means equal to, and 4 times her age is 4x. We have it here, 4x. So let's write that 4x. Now we can simplify this equation. Here you can get all the x terms to one side, either take this 3x there or bring that 4x here. So this time let's take the 3x to the other side. So here we have 15. So here 4x, and when you move this 3x it becomes minus 3x. So we have 15 here, and 4x minus 3x is 1x, so x. So now we know x is equal to 15, and what is x? X is Neetu's age. So we have found her age, and that is 15 years. This is Neetu's age. So let's write that Neetu is 15 years old. So with this, children, we will stop for now. In our next video, we will continue with the remaining questions. Thank you.